Okay, so now it's recording. You want to go through every problem, or do you want to go through the ones that we were confused about? Because some of them I feel like are more confusing than others.
Well, it usually explains what you're confused for me because I haven't had a chance to do anything. If that's too much, I'll go back and try and get it worked out and not drag you guys down.
Well, we can go over as much as we can.
Did you watch some of the videos, or what did you do to figure it out?
Go draw on a book.
I watched the videos. Yeah, that was like extremely helpful. Not to knock the textbook, but I don't think it covered everything, especially the standard deviation. Maybe I just didn't look at it in depth enough, but the videos go over like how to do it and yeah, the equation for it.
Is that how you did it with the equation?
Yeah, there's an equation. It's like once you find the mean, you go through every number and you subtract the mean from every number. And then you add those numbers up. And then you divide them by the number of numbers minus 1. And that's the standard deviation.
And that's what the video taught you?
Yeah. Also, I realized the reason why I couldn't get the first mean for the A section was because I didn't, like, the first number, like, it's just a point, it doesn't have a number, and I was counting that as, like, it said there were 42 once you get to the bottom, but one of them didn't have a number, so it was technically 41, so that's why I never got the number right.
Oh. That's when you're trying to figure out the mean?
Yeah. So I'm not as dumb as I thought.
It wasn't about being dumb. It was about understanding what they were telling.
Well, I felt pretty dumb because I'm 22. I learned all this stuff in algebra, and I couldn't do it, and I was like, what's wrong with me? It hasn't been that long since high school.
Okay, so for the rest of the problems, did you make any graphs and stuff? And how did you do that? Did you do it in that SPSS program?
No, I just did it in Word, but I think it's probably like way faster to do it in SPSS.
Okay, but you haven't figured out how to work that yet?
No, not in SPSS. It's probably way faster because in Word I just like manually input everything.
Okay.
But I think they cover that in the video. Or one of the videos.
Yes. Okay. So I didn't do it. You guys can go over whatever you want.
So the answers are there for all the numbers. I don't know, it just seems silly to go over it when we have the answers already. We could talk about which company we would invest in.
Okay.
So if you look back over the graphs, and there are the answer keys, so or you could look at those. If we look down at it's number 9, it says, if you were saving for retirement, which of these 4 companies would be the most attractive investment? Justify your answer. So,
Okay.
if you look at the graphs, there's like some that are higher and some that are lower. And I picked B. I picked B because it has the highest mean, which means it has like the highest average return.
Okay.
Anyway, what did you pick for that, Jennifer?
1 second. Over here, baby, this one would be nice to me. You cannot go on the floor, Peter. He's tired.
Okay, so do you have any more questions, Carrie?
Well, I think I'm just gonna have to go back through and figure, like, watch the video and see how I got the, how you got the.
Okay, so should we wait to take the quiz, or should we take the quiz now?
I think we better take it. I don't know how that's gonna go, but I think we better take it just because it's got to be done today.
Okay.
It's the group meeting quiz.
Yeah.
Are you ready to start it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm kind of nervous.
Do you guys take the other one? Or the lesson?
Yeah,
Baby.
I did.
Let me go get a bottle for baby. He's won't be quiet.
Emily, are you still there? Oh, there you are.
Yeah, I'm here.
My screen froze, and I couldn't tell if you were gone or not.
Yeah, the connection is like, my connection's not great where I am, so it's probably not.
You have
Probably just
something else.
Okay.
Quiz?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it says we need the wrong site, wrong patient data to answer some of these questions.
Okay, I have it pulled up. I don't know what to do with it, but I have it pulled up.
Okay. I don't have it pulled up and I can't do it on this computer.
Can't or you can?
Oh, I can't. Sorry.
Okay. Find the mean amount the hospital had to pay non-lawsuits bound to cancel.
I need my arm.
So,
Did you start the quiz, Carrie?
yeah, I know.
Okay. Okay. I'm starting it too.
There's 100 and, well, hold on. The question.
Okay.
It seems like calculating this information shouldn't be so hard. There's like 400 and something numbers in the wrong site, on the wrong site column,
Uh-huh.
407 or something. And we're supposed to figure out the mean from that.
Yeah, I think,
there a way-
I guess they want us to do it in SSPS. But I
That's
didn't
what
do
I'm thinking,
that.
but I don't have it set up.
It'll take like a million years to do it by hand.
And then, okay, sorry. And then you find the standard deviation of the amount paid in the wrong site lawsuits.
Ugh.
Are we on the one where it says use the following information to answer questions 3 and 4?
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, should I keep recording or should I stop our recording?
Um,
I don't know, it doesn't say.
I think the idea of the recording is so they can hear us as we work through the problem. How did we work through it? But
Yeah, like I can't do these problems because I don't.
I feel wholly inept at this point.
Yeah, I should have done it in SSPS and figured out how to do it, but I don't have access to the computer all the time that I would use for it. So I didn't figure it out.
Are we supposed to download all the files so we can even see it?
Are we supposed to what?
Because it says for the quiz
Uh-huh.
that we're supposed to be using the website that says the wrong site, wrong patient data to answer some of the questions.
Right.
Then select the .sav file below to open in SPSS. But then I open it up and then I just see BYU website and then it says download all data files or download individual data files.
If you scroll to the bottom, you can find the one wrong site, wrong patient, and you can download just that file. And it'll open, but it opens in Excel. It doesn't open in SSPS. Okay, I don't know what to do at this point. I feel like I'm drowning as I sit here. Because I feel like I need to go back and learn what I should have learned to do the independent preparation, the individual preparation. And that sounds like I better learn how to figure out how to work SPSS in order to.
Yeah, me too. Okay,